The hills around Ulaanbaatar, Mongolia, are covered in brightly colored houses and traditional yurts. A Mongolian yurt is a type of elaborate, semi-permanent tent. The concept has been used for many generations. Assembling and disassembling a yurt takes only a few hours. They may not seem like they would be very sturdy, but yurts can withstand even the worst storms. In some areas of Mongolia, yurts are used as places of worship. It's a perfect space to keep warm during the cold winter months. Bano is Adra Mongolia's chief accountant. She uses her yurt home to host Mongolia's only Pathfinder club and a small congregation. Bano and her husband Boomchin planted this church as global mission pioneers several years ago. They wanted to create a better community for their own kids among the neighborhood children. Bano started a Bible story time, which quickly became popular with both the children and the adults because of her enthusiasm, creativity, and wonderful storytelling. They used to attend the main Adventist church in the city. As the neighborhood children became more involved in their lives, Bano and Boomchin took them along. That soon became a problem because the car could only fit so many children. The solution they decided was to start a Sabbath school in their yurt home. The weekly services were well attended, with parents often accompanying their children. This led to a growing Pathfinder club, and then to church services. They are a model church planting team, connecting with their community in positive ways, meeting people's needs, and then inviting them to accept Jesus as their Savior. The people are responding, and the church is growing in Mongolia. Since they started church planting in their neighborhood, dozens of community members have accepted Jesus into their hearts and have been baptized. Please pray for the work in this country in the 1040 window. Pray for global mission pioneers like Bano and Boomchin, who connect with their communities in creative ways and share a message of hope. You can support the work of Global Mission Pioneers by donating on the Global Mission website. Thank you for supporting mission.